How do you actually qualify as an accountant? Now, if you're interested in becoming an accountant, it's a great and stable career route because accountants are needed in almost every type of organisation, from small businesses to charities to global companies and public sector bodies. It's a career with clear progression, respected qualifications, and plenty of opportunities to specialise as you develop. But what's the process to actually becoming one? Well, let's have a look in this video what you need to do to become an accountant in 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is choose your accountancy body. Now, you can't just be an accountant. You don't just fall into it as a career. You need to choose an accounting body to qualify with. Now, if you're in the UK, you've got several options to choose from. You've got the ACCA, which is often good for those who want a broad financial accounting kind of qualification. You've got CIMA, the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, for those who want to go into management accounting. You've also got the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, the ICAEW. You've got the AAT, the Association of Accounting Technicians. Now, that option's often good for those who want to be junior accountants and maybe have a springboard into a further career after that. Now, if you're based in another country, you're going to have other bodies as well. So in the US, for example, you've got the CPA. But the point is, you need to choose a body that you qualify with, and you need to recognize that these bodies are not all interchangeable. So your first step is to do a bit of research, number 1, on what bodies are available in your country, and particularly what bodies are respected in the country that you want to work in. And number 2, which particular body would suit the kind of accounting that you want to be doing the most. Now, step number 2 is to study for your qualification. Now, whichever route you choose, you need to study and pass assessments along the way. And this often involves a good number of exams covering the basics of accounting all the way through to some more advanced stuff. But if you're starting to panic at the sound of lots of exams, here's some good news. There is another option. And that is, if you choose to qualify with CIMA, the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, there is a route you can choose called the CIMA Finance Leadership Program, known as the FLP. Now, the FLP is different to the other routes because instead of passing lots and lots of exams, most of your learning is continuously assessed through an online platform. And so that means rather than sitting loads and loads of high-pressured separate exams, you actually only have 3 case study exams to pass in the FLP. Everything else is just assessed on a much more relaxed, ongoing basis. And that can make the FLP a pretty attractive option if you want more flexibility and a slightly more modern way of studying with CIMA. Now, if you're interested in the CIMA FLP, at Astranti, we offer a full CIMA Finance Leadership Program package with structured learning, with access to our straightforward, simple, written and video materials. We offer expert tutor support, mentoring, and all the resources that you need to get through your qualification confidently. So if you're interested and you want to find out more, check out the link in the description to find out what we offer as part of our FLP package. Step number 3 is to get practical experience. Now, becoming qualified as an accountant isn't just about passing exams. You usually need some relevant work experience as well. So most accounting bodies tend to require a certain amount of practical experience before they actually award you their qualification. Now, that might mean starting in a role such as accounts assistant or finance assistant, trainee accountant or trainee analyst. And over time, you build practical skills in areas like preparing reports, working with financial data, supporting budgets, and helping organizations to make better decisions. Now, the good news is you don't have to have everything figured out on day one. So many people start in an entry-level finance role while studying alongside their job. So the good news is you can often work in finance whilst you're doing your qualification, all whilst getting paid. So to recap, step number 1, choose the right accountancy body. Step number 2, study for your qualification. And then step number 3, build practical experience as you go. If you're serious about a career in accountancy, becoming qualified with one of the main bodies is one of the clearest ways to build a recognised, reliable and rewarding professional career. And remember, if you are interested in the CIMA FLP route, make sure to check the link in the description to see what we offer on our CIMA FLP programme.